Clever Fox Pocket Planner is an easy-to-use tool for planning, goal setting, and strategizing all year round. This planner comes in a pocket format and measures 3.7 by 6.7 inches, so you can carry it in your purse and keep planning wherever you are. It has a premium quality vegan leather hardcover, an elastic band, a pen loop, 3 ribbon bookmarks, thick 120 GSM bleed-resistant paper, 3 sheets of colorful stickers, and a pocket for loose notes and other papers. Begin using your planner by building self-awareness and setting up intentions for the upcoming year. Consider what you are grateful for and write down your favorite affirmations, things you are passionate about, and any skills and habits you want to adopt this year. This exercise will help you understand what the most valuable things in your life are. This way, you can easily set the right priorities when planning. Next, move on to setting yearly goals in 8 key life areas. Make sure you set at least one goal in each area, however big or small. Thus, you can improve your work-life balance by paying equal attention to your personal and professional lives, as well as overall well-being. Use the list you've built to choose your top 5 goals for the upcoming year. You will allocate the most time and effort to these goals. Consider why these goals are important and set a reward for achieving each one. Use the next page to brainstorm how you can achieve these goals. Creating a mind map will help you figure out the key action steps you need to take to avoid feeling overwhelmed by the task at hand. Finally, list all important dates and events you want to remember. This way, you can ensure you forget nothing and prepare for each event in advance. This planner is undated, so you can start it anytime and take a break without wasting a page. That's why all 12 monthly spreads are in the front, followed by the weekly spreads. You can use the bookmarks to mark monthly and weekly pages and navigate easily. Use monthly calendars to keep track of all time-specific appointments, deadlines, and other engagements throughout the month. You can easily transfer these to your weekly agenda when planning for the week ahead. Each week has a dedicated page for planning day-to-day tasks from Monday to Sunday, and a section for listing your top weekly priorities. Choosing your focus for the week will help you stay productive and complete the most important tasks first. The Daily Habit Tracker will help you track good habits and routines to support your health and overall life quality. And for anything else you need to record, there's an empty dot grid space to customize however you like. We hope this pocket planner will become your reliable companion in the whirlwind of busy modern life, helping you stay focused, organized, and productive every single day. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.